Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Isomac Milano espresso machine. Now this machine was brought to us again because it was having a very particular issue. The machine will just not turn on and it will just trip the breaker. So whenever you would just switch this light, the machine would just automatically not turn on, trip that breaker, and there was something going on. And yes, there was definitely something going on with all this wiring that you see right here. Focus camera, there you go. All this wiring that we had to replace from the machine. We didn't took our chances this time. We didn't not only replace the ones that were a little bit bad, like this one for example, we just replaced the entire harness as best as we could. Left the wires that were in good condition, for example this area over here, but this one we just replaced it because, well, it was having some connections over here at the end, so we just end up replacing really a lot of the wiring of the machine itself. We also double check our work, making sure that the machine was heating up properly, going to 1.2 bars as well, and always having a good flow coming out from the E61 group head. Right now the machine has been on for quite a while, so we are gonna be purging the heat exchanger. You can see the temperature going just slightly a bit below the 1 bar. There you go, but it's because this machine has been on for quite some time. We've been testing this machine since this morning. There you go. As you can see, back to 1. Excellent flow coming out from the group head. You can see those different lines over there and how it kinda comes into a gentle stream as the machine is cooling down. You can also see the pressure not going below 1 bar. Going a little bit above, there you go. Now it's up to temperature, 1.2 bars. It's ready to be used. We also fixed a leak that was coming out from the steamer. We replaced the gaskets, lubricated everything, make sure everything was clean too. As you can see, there's no leaks or anything like that. Now we're testing the hot water. There you go, gentle stream coming out from the hot water one. Machine filling that boiler. Pressure is gonna go just a little bit below because we just removed a lot of hot water from the boiler, and a lot of cold water is going inside the boiler as well. So once the machine detects that, it's going to heat up once again to 1.2 bars. There you go, 1.2, perfect. It's on the green light comes on. The machine is ready to brew. So there you have it, Isomac Milano, not tripping the breaker, at the right temperature and not leaking. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.